In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Forms with GoHighLevel 2026. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account with the right permissions for the sub-account you want to connect, sometimes called the location. It also helps to have your Google form already created and accessible in the Google account you plan to use. Close any pop-up blockers in your browser, since the connection flow may open a new window for authorization. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. Look to the left-hand navigation and head to Settings. It's the gear icon, usually near the bottom. If you manage multiple locations, double-check the location selector at the top of the screen so you're adjusting settings for the correct place. Integrations are specific to each location. Inside Settings, open the Integrations section. This page lists the apps you can connect to GoHighLevel. If you don't see integrations, your user role might be limited. Ask an admin to grant you access or perform the connection for you. Give the page a second to load. Some integrations appear after the system fetches availability for your account. On the Integrations page, find the Google Forms option and click Connect. A Google sign-in window may appear. Choose the Google account that owns your form, then review and allow the requested permissions so GoHighLevel can read your form responses. If you use multiple Google accounts in the same browser, confirm you're picking the one that holds the form you intend to use. Once authorized, GoHighLevel links to Google Forms, and you'll see the status update to confirm the connection. From here, GoHighLevel can pull in responses so you can route them into contacts, pipelines, or automations you already have configured. A few tips to keep things smooth. If the Connect button seems unresponsive, refresh the page and try again with pop-up blockers turned off. If you're asked to reauthorize later, simply follow the same Connect flow to renew access. Keep your Google account secure with two-factor authentication, and only grant the minimum permissions necessary. If you don't immediately see new responses inside GoHighLevel, give it a moment, then check that the form lives under the connected Google account and that the form is accepting responses. That's all there is to it. Go to Settings, open Integrations, and click Connect on Google Forms. With this connection in place, your form submissions can flow into GoHighLevel, helping you follow up faster, keep data consistent, and automate your next steps.